Hello everyone! In today's video I will be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box. Don't mind my nails, they're a little not painted very well. It's taken me so long to unbox this because I did go travel the end of this month. I was gone for almost a week, so I've been off on my videos. So I've had this for like a week and I haven't opened it. I will be doing some more traveling in a couple of weeks, so I will do my best to pre-record and get some things filmed so that I can put those up while I am gone, but I'm not totally sure that's gonna happen. My sister will be delivering her little baby boy on Friday, which is tomorrow, which when I'm putting this up is probably past. So I'll be gone seeing them. So I'll try my best to get videos up while I'm gone, but if I don't, I apologize. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your guys' notification bells so you guys are notified for all of my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in this month's Allure box, then just keep watching. So if you aren't familiar with the Allure subscription box, it is a subscription service that sends you sample size to full size items. It costs $15 a month, but then I think you have to pay some tax. So I believe I paid like $16 and some change for this. And this is the May box. I know I'm getting it up late and in June, but this is the May box. It always comes with a little kind of magazine thing that shows everything that's inside of the box, gives you all the details, prices, all that good stuff. And I'm just going to get started. The first thing I'm going to pull out is the Coconut Smoothie Primer Moisturizer. I actually really enjoy this. I had a full size of it, but I didn't use it before it went bad. So I'm happy to get some more. It smells really good, just very coconutty and delicious. And it has a little tint to it as well, but this is definitely one of my favorite primers. I needed to pick up another one, and now this saves me from doing that. So I'll probably use all of this up before I pick up the full size. The full size of this is $28, and you can buy it at First Aid Beauty. You can use the promo code Allure0518 to receive 15% off your purchase. It's valid May 1st through June 30th. So there's a little coupon code for you. If you've been wanting to try it out, you can go buy it from them, get a little discount, and try it out. The next thing I'm pulling out, this is the St. Tropez Self Tan Purity. This is a bronzing water mousse. Well, that's pretty cool. It says glow from within and achieve your most natural looking golden tan in just one application with our ultra lightweight skin protecting and tropical scented tanning water mousse. I've never heard of a water mousse tan. I am actually kind of excited to get this. I am as pale as you can get. I feel like I'm white. I know my lighting doesn't make me look as white, but I'm white. Super white. You should see my legs, but I'm not going to show you until I try this out. So I may try this out and you know, show you guys how it works. The only fear that I ever have from trying out bronzers and self tanners is then you got to buy foundation that matches, and then you got to keep up with it, and it just seems like a lot of work. But I think I'm going to try it. So the full size of this is $42. So the full size is 6 fluid ounces. This is only 1. So it's not full size, but I do feel like you got quite a bit in there. So it'll be pretty good to get several uses out of it, I'm assuming, and see how you like it. So oddly enough, I'm kind of excited to try this out. The next thing I'm pulling out is this Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray. This is a medium hold nourishing spray. Tames frizz. It's a hairspray. It gives a medium hold. It says it's supposed to smooth flyaways and frizz. Oops. And I just threw it out of my hands. Your flyaways, tame frizz without flattening texture. It's supposed to give your hair shine because it's loaded with natural oils, but light enough that it doesn't weigh down the hair. So that is pretty cool. The full size is $19. Obviously this isn't the full size, but I am gonna do a little... Ooh, that smells really good too. Certainly gave my hair some volume. I actually really like that smell. It's not making my hair feel crunchy or hard, so I actually really like that. I really enjoyed the last hairspray that I received from Allure Beauty as well. I'm almost out of it, and I may actually go purchase the full size of it. But I may wait and use this up, see if I like this one better, and then maybe I'll buy this one. The next thing I'm seeing is something weird. What the heck? I'm so confused. It's like, do you guys see this? Can you guys tell what's going on here? I don't know how well you guys can see this, but it's like powder in here. What in the world? Is this supposed to look like this? Okay, I'm gonna do some searching. This is the CLE melting lip powder in Desert Rose. So it's a lip powder. You spread it all over your lips and it magically turns into smooth lip tints. Well, that's interesting. The full price of this is $19.99. I'm assuming this is full price. You can also go on CLE Cosmetics and enter Allure 30 to receive 30% off your purchase, valid through May 1st through June 15th. This is weird. I have never seen this before in my life. I'm afraid it's gonna make a mess. Get everywhere. Oh, yeah, it's getting everywhere. Don't wear white clothes while trying to put this on. Okay, we're gonna do it above my desk. Well, the color is pretty, and that is pretty cool that it like goes into like a, I mean, it's not a liquid, but it does feel pretty smooth. I don't know. This product kind of confuses me. It's messy. I don't really enjoy the fact that you get powder everywhere, and then you have to be really careful not to like rub it when you're trying to like get it off your clothes. I just feel like this would get on your face and be weird. The color, again, like I said, is really, really pretty, but the product itself, I'm a little confused about. I'm confused because in here it shows the St. Tropez Instant Tan Finishing Gloss, which I'm assuming is you're supposed to get both to kind of go together with it. But I don't have that, but I have this L'Oreal Ever Pure Intense Repair hair sheet mask, which is interesting, but it's not, this isn't in my booklet, so I don't know if they just ran out of the other stuff to give people and just threw this in there. I don't know. That kind of bothers me a little bit, but what can you do? I don't have any idea how much this is. I'll do a little research and I'll throw it on the screen. But this just says it's supposed to, camellia flower envelops hair in a delicate layer for repairing cream. Shower steam allows for formula to melt onto hair for strengthened, protected hair. I mean, so that's cool. I've never done one of these before, so I'll have to try it out. I'm just kind of like, about it. Not like super excited, just kind of like, I mean, it's like a foil packet. You get like one use out of it and that's about it. Okay, the last thing I'm seeing, these are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. They're gold, which is awesome. They're eye masks. They go right underneath your eyes. They moisturize and soothe your under eyes. They've got aloe in them for a skin cooling effect. For 6 pairs of these, that's $25. So a little bit over $4 per mask, which isn't bad. That's actually pretty affordable in my opinion. So they gave you 2, which is nice, so that you can really see if you like them or not. When you just get one mask or things like that, I just feel like that's not enough times to be able to figure out if you really like it or not. So I do enjoy that they put 2 of them in there instead of 1. And that's everything that I got in this month's box. Overall, not bad. I actually enjoyed last month's box a lot more. I'll leave that up there if you want to check it out. This powder flip stuff is just confusing the heck out of me. It's interesting, but I feel like I'm probably never going to use this. Everything else I will definitely use. I'll use this even though it's not like something really, really exciting to me, I will use it. Same with the eye masks, I'll definitely use those. And then I'm actually really excited for these two. I know that I'll use this all up, and then I'm excited to see this and see how I like it, see if it gives me a little bit, you know, a little boost of color that I need. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys get Allure, let me know what you guys got in your box. Did you guys get both of the St. Tropez items, or did you get this L'Oreal hair mask as well? Let me know in the comments below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.